The island was a place to exploit. Gold was extracted from El Yunque, and its lower slopes were cleared for crops and timber. In 1876, the Spanish crown protected the remaining forest in El Yunque, making it one of the oldest reserves in the Americas. In 1903, following the Spanish-American War, President Theodore Roosevelt named the Luquillo Reserve a U.S. national forest. In the 1930s, the Civilian Conservation Corps program was established to help the forest. Roads, lookout towers, trails, and recreation areas were built in a 10-year period. By planting millions of seeds, these men created a place that rivals the original forest in diversity and beauty. They made El Yunque what it is today, a forest connected to people. Over the years, El Yunque became known as the cradle of contemporary tropical forestry, a model for recreation, conservation, management, and research.
The Puerto Rican parrot is the forest's most iconic bird. The iguaca, as the Taínos named it, is found only in Puerto Rico. Once abundant throughout the island, by the 1970s, only 13 parrots remained.
13? Wow.
It took decades of constant collaboration between forest management and researchers to return some of the birds to their original habitats in other forests in Puerto Rico.
El Yunque is a world-class research center. The scientific community is already studying the effects of climate change and warmer temperatures in the forest. Your journey starts here in El Portal de El Yunque. This is the place to explore, discover, and connect with the forest. State-of-the-art exhibits highlight El Yunque, in particular, its biodiversity, geology, culture, conservation, and community connections. Permanent art installations by recognized local artists explore the human and natural connections from ridge to reef and celebrate Puerto Rican culture as part of education for conservation. El Portal is a unique model for collaborative participation with residents from the surrounding communities. El Yunque receives over 1 million visitors annually. The majority of our recreation sites are located along Road 191. Short walks lead to pools and streams of immense beauty. Longer hikes ascend to nearby peaks, lookout towers, and the cloud forests. Other spectacular sites feature picnic areas and strenuous hikes into remote and beautiful regions. Rio Sabana Recreation Area and Trail in the south, and El Duro Scenic Byway in the west are waiting for you.
Wherever you go, take a moment to become part of El Yunque. Listen to the sounds of the forest. Listen to the coqui for their unique calls. Connections are everywhere, linking coastal communities to the mountains, nature to culture, and the past to the future. Through centuries of change, El Yunque remains an ecological and cultural treasure. Our job is to make sure its legacy endures. This is El Yunque, connecting Puerto Rico to the world. Thank you. I am Benicio del Toro.
I am Cordelia Gonzalez.
Enjoy your visit.